Skymen PP Materials Single Tank Ultrasonic Cleaner features an anti-corrosion structure to withstand the harshest chemical environments, every part contacting the cleaning fluid, including the inner tank, pipings, valves, auxiliary tank, and filtration device, is built from premium polypropylene, equipped with high-efficiency quartz heating. It ensures rapid and precise temperature control. Powered by durable 316L flange-mounted transducer boxes, it delivers powerful, consistent cleaning performance. The robust industrial-grade PP circulation filtration system continuously purifies the solution for optimal cleaning results. This equipment is the corrosion-resistant solution for your most demanding industrial cleaning applications. We also support fully customized sizes and functions to match your specific needs.